Hey guys, today I'll show you how to fix YouTube lagging or freezing on your computer. If YouTube videos keep buffering, stuttering, or freezing, try these solutions. First, open your internet browser. For this tutorial, we'll use Google Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner and open Settings. From the left-hand menu, scroll down and select System. Look for Use Graphics Acceleration when available. If this option is currently turned off, try turning it on instead. If it's already enabled, try switching it off instead. After changing this setting, click Relaunch to restart Chrome, and then check YouTube again. If YouTube is still lagging, go back to Chrome settings and select Reset Settings from the left-hand menu. Click Restore Settings to their original defaults. Keep in mind that resetting Chrome can disable extensions and remove cookies and other site data. If you're okay with that, click Reset Settings and then try playing a YouTube video again. If the problem continues, there's one more solution to try. Return to Settings, open Privacy and Security, and then select Security. Scroll down until you find Use Secure DNS and make sure it's enabled. Click the drop-down menu and select Cloudflare as your DNS provider. Finally, refresh YouTube and try playing your video again. Hopefully, these steps will fix the lagging or freezing issue. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.